Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining this session. In this session, we are going to talk about region and availability zone. Region in GCP is a geographical location that has availability zone inside these. These availability zones are mapped to actual data center where your data or your application reside. Now let's say I want to deploy a application on GCP. My first step will be I have to identify my user base. Let's say my user base is in Singapore. In that case, when I'm going to deploy my application on GCP, I will choose the region or geographical location as Singapore. What about availability zone? Now, it depends upon the type of application you are going to deploy. Let's say you are going to deploy a application where there will be no impact if the application went down. In that case, you want high availability, but you don't want fault tolerance. Then you can deploy your application in single availability zone. But now, let's say you have your use case where you want high availability plus fault tolerance. You really don't want any downtime on your application. In that case, you may want to deploy your application in multiple availability zone. So if there is any impact or if the one availability zone went down due to any issue, there will be no impact on your application. Your user will be able to access your application from different availability zone. Some people also try to deploy their application in multiple regions. Like you have your user base in multiple geographical location. In that case, you can try to deploy your application in multiple region as well. Now let's go ahead and try to deploy a small virtual machine and see how you can choose your availability zone or region. Here we go, VM instances. I'm going to deploy, or you can say create a machine. Now, while filling up the form, you can see here I'm getting the option to choose a region. Let's say Singapore, and your availability zone. We have three availability zone here, A, B, and C. We can deploy in any of them. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.